ഗൈസ്, ഇന്ന് എൻ്റെ മോളൊരു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സ്റ്റോറി എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്കായി അത് എല്ലാവരുടെയും മുമ്പിൽ നിന്ന് വായിക്കാനായിട്ട് അവൾ ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണ്. സോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ഓവിയ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തോളൂ. ബൈ ഞാൻ പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തിട്ട് എൻ്റെ മോളുടെ പേരാണ് ഓവിയ അരുൺ. 3rd ഗ്രേഡിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നു. സ്കോളേഴ്സ് ഇൻ്റർനാഷണൽ സ്കൂളിലാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്, ഖത്തറിൽ.
Name of the story: The Little Girl Lily. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Lily. Her mother had gone crazy after her father had died. She was so scared, but the next day she was going to school. When she came back, her mother was waiting for her. Her mother said, "I am so sorry for everything I have done to you." Lily said, Lily said, "I forgive you, but one thing." Mother said, "I will do anything." Lily said, "You just have to be good." Mother said, "Okay." Then the next day, Lily went to school. When she came back, her mother had cleaned the whole house. Her mother was sleeping. Lily was so happy. After her mother woke up, she said, also she lived in a castle. She was a princess. Her mother made her a song for Lily. It was called "Lily Was a Little Girl." Lily was so happy. The end.
Thank you. Ovia, do you want to say anything more?
No.
What is the thought of the day?
Thought of the day. Forgot about that. Love is important for everyone. Yes.
Thank you.